Hey you guys, it's Whitney and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be doing a complete disaster clean with me. We were super busy over the weekend, so I had tons of cleaning to get done and our house was a little bit trashed, so I'm just going to bring you guys along with me while I get this house nice and clean today. So if you are in need of some cleaning motivation, you are in the right place, and we're just going to start upstairs today, and I'm going to go ahead and grab my kids' bedding so that I can wash it. I did have a load of laundry in the washer from the night prior, so I am just going to throw that into the dryer, and then I will throw the sheets into the wash. And then there is this little pile of towels that you see on top of the dryer. I will be folding those and putting them away as well. So now that that is all done, I am going to move back upstairs into my daughter's room. I am going to be doing some toy organization in this video for you guys because my daughter is about to have her second birthday and I know she's going to get some new toys, and so I wanted some more room to be able to store those items. So what I did is I took the cube organizer from my son's room and I put it into my daughter's room. We already had these bins kind of around the house, so I did take advantage of those, and I love that they matched the theme of her room already. And what I did was I put all of her dolls in one bin, and then she had some like miscellaneous toys like purses and doctor and all of that kind of stuff. I put all of that into another bin, and then she will have 2 empty bins for all the new toys that she gets for her birthday. Now that Savannah's toys are all nice and organized, I didn't want you to think that I didn't have anything for Barrett's room. And what I did here is I took the toy organizer that we had in the playroom and I actually put it in his room because 1, it kind of matched with the scheme of his room anyway, and 2, they didn't really use a whole lot of toys downstairs. Half of the bins were empty and it honestly wasn't really serving a purpose in the playroom. So I did move that to his room to be able to store and organize all of his toys. And then you're just going to see me going through all of the toys here. We had a ton of like McDonald's and fast food type of toys and little toys that were broken and all kinds of stuff. So I really needed to take this opportunity and go through them, and that way everything that they have and I kept for them was serving a purpose. So now I'm going to quickly grab our comforter from our bedroom and put it downstairs to be washed. And then I'm going to pick up clothes that you see piled around this room. You guys, this was so embarrassing. I think this was the messiest my room has been on this channel. I had new clothes mixed with clean clothes, mixed with dirty clothes. I had all kinds of stuff going on in here. So I am just going to go through and pick up the clothes that you see here. And then I did have a hamper full of clean clothes that needed to be put away that had been sitting there for almost a week. I know, I don't know what my problem is or why I'm like this, but I will do that. And then you will see me picking up the rest of the room here and just getting everything nice and tidy. And here, really quickly, I am going to fix up my closet. You guys know this is a problem area for me. We don't have a ton of storage in this house, so I do keep some things in here that I wouldn't usually keep in my closet, and it gets cluttered really quickly. So I am just going to go through and pick up all of the trash that's in here, pick up all of the clothes off the floor, hang them up, and just get this closet somewhat functional again. So now I'm going to move back into my daughter's room. At this point, the sheets were done. So I am going to dust off her little dresser here, and then I'm going to make her bed. And I will be vacuuming in here as well, and just really getting this room nice and tidy and ready for her birthday. I'm also going to be doing the same in my son's room, getting his bed put back together. Now, I did not wash his comforter at this point, so you will not see that part, but I will make his bed and dust and vacuum in here as well. Before moving back downstairs, I am just going to grab the sheets from our room so that way I could wash those as well. And then we are going to start back up in the kitchen. I am going to pick up a little bit and then get started on some dishes and just get things cleared up here so that way I can get in and clean. Now here I am just putting this fruit into a bowl. We had got some peaches from a local market up the street and I was running out of room to put fruit because our fridge is jam-packed right now. So I decided to bring back out my fruit bowl that I used to have and put all of those in there. And then I will finish kind of picking up the counters and then I will wipe them down as well using my Jaws kitchen cleaner. And then I'm just going to move over to our kitchen table here. I'm going to straighten up a little bit and wipe this down as well. Now I am taking that same Jaws kitchen cleaner and I am going to quickly wipe down the stainless steel here. You guys know, life with toddlers, the stainless steel never stays clean in my house. So this is something that I like to do any opportunity that I have to do it. And then the last thing that I'm going to be doing in the kitchen is sweeping and mopping. And now I usually vacuum my hardwood floors with our Dyson, but whenever I go to mop, I like to sweep because I feel like it gets a lot more off of the floor than the vacuum does. And then I will go in and mop the floors with some Fabuloso and just get everything nice and clean. So moving into the living room, I am going to tidy up real quick. All of the blankets that you see here, I needed to wash anyway, so that's kind of why I piled them up. And then I will just go through and pick up the rest of the living room, and then you'll see me wiping down the TV stand as well. Now that everything is all nice and clean, I am going to go in and vacuum down the couch. I'm going to be using the hose attachment to my canister vacuum to do this, and then I will finish off in here by vacuuming. Oh, and I almost forgot, I did mop this little floor area that you see here. This is a main space in our house, and I feel like it gets dirty really quickly, so I do like to mop that when I can. So moving into the master bedroom, this is the last room that I'm going to be cleaning in today's video. And I am going to start by making the bed. I just feel like I can't clean the rest of the room until the bed is made. I don't know if anybody else is like that. So I am going to do that first, and then I will go through and dust down the 2 nightstands that you see here and the dresser as well. And then I will finish off in here by vacuuming. Anyways, you guys, that is going to be it for today's video. I hope that you enjoyed this complete disaster clean with me and it gave you the motivation you needed for today. As always, thank you guys so much for watching my videos, and I will see you all in my next one.